From its beginnings in 1970, the vision of Rogue Community College has always been to inspire, strengthen, and transform the lives of the people and the economy of the region. When the college recognized the demand for more healthcare workers to meet the needs of the community, the RCC vision guided the Board of Education and leadership to a dream: bring all the healthcare programs to one shining new building, equipped with the latest instructional tools, a place where faculty and students collaborate across programs.
And the school is looking for $20 million to put towards improving, expanding, and renovating.
This dream was made possible by the voters of Jackson and Josephine counties, who passed a $20 million bond in 2016, and donations from dozens of generous supporters from around the region. In March 2019, RCC leadership, government officials, and healthcare partners broke ground on the new building. Local residents would get the best in education to earn degrees and certificates to good-paying jobs in the Rogue Valley. Designed by Henneberry Eddy Architects and Kistler and Small and White, and built by Adroit Construction, the Health Professions Center would be home to the RCC nursing degree program, as well as licensed practical nursing, basic healthcare certification, dental assisting, medical administrative assisting, medical assisting, pharmacy technician, phlebotomy, and sterile processing technician. The project stayed ahead of schedule and was finished in August 2020. During construction, dozens of supporters from healthcare and the community came forward and donated over $850,000 to equip the new center. And on October 8, 2020, we finally cut the ribbon.
Today we're celebrating the grand opening of the Health Professions Center at the Table Rock Campus. I would just like to thank the voters of Josephine and Jackson counties for supporting the 2016 bond that allowed us to do construction of new buildings and renovations of existing buildings throughout our district. This facility is housing a multitude of health professions programs, including nursing, practical nursing, and other programs. But most importantly, it is a place where students can begin a career pathway. One of the reasons that we co-located all of the programs in a single place is because the trajectory of students in nursing programs usually starts with an allied health program. So by co-locating all of them together, our students can work together. They can see and meet other faculty and really see what the potential for their healthcare career trajectory can be. Our faculty made up a term they call cross-mogenation, and this building was designed to create cross-mogenation. And what that means is that our students are going to be able to develop their healthcare mojo in a facility that allows them to sort of cross-pollinate with other healthcare programs and see what the possibilities are for their future career paths. So we're excited to share what cross-mogenation really looks like in a physical space, and thanks to our faculty for embracing that concept and showing how different healthcare career pathways can actually work together to achieve a really high level of healthcare training.
The voters put their trust in RCC, and the college answered by reaching out to the community and applying for state grants to raise additional funds for the project, and they stayed on schedule.
With careful management during the bond execution process and in obtaining state grants and additional matching funds, they were able to nearly double the amount of revenue funds available for capital improvements within the district, $38 million, to improve our structures and our ability to deliver content to our students. The Health Professions Center that we're opening today is one of the new facilities in our district that are a result of that bond initiative. We should also recognize as we open this today that it's been completed on time and under budget, which is not something that usually happens within what we hear often in public projects. We're also thankful for the work of the RCC Foundation. Through their efforts, they've raised $850,000 of donations and equipment grants to help staff and to help equip the facility so that we can deliver state-of-the-art training to our students. And this level of support is really unprecedented within the state and really speaks to the level of local donor and business commitments and confidence in the college.
Welcome to the Nursing Skills Lab here in the brand new Health Professions Center for RCC. I'm Jenny Shirley, lead instructor for the Nursing Skills Lab. I and the rest of the nursing faculty have been working on the plans for this building for years. We're so excited it's finally here. This brand new lab, which is state-of-the-art and more than double the size of our previous lab, is going to allow us to train more nurses to help meet the needs here in our community in Southern Oregon.
It means a whole lot for everyone in this county. We badly need jobs. The healthcare profession has been needing staff for years and years and years. The tremendous opportunity we have to provide those jobs, it's a great investment in our future.
Hi, my name is Valerie Barr, president of the RCC Foundation. On behalf of the foundation, we'd like to thank our donors who generously contributed to the building and equipment of the beautiful, beautiful new Health Professions Center. Students will be trained on modern equipment to become the much needed professionals for the community. Partnerships work.
This building is really a sign of hope for our community during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a sign that we are going to be able to respond by creating trained healthcare workers to meet the needs of our community. We are so excited to unveil this facility to our constituents who supported this bond, and we look forward to a day when you'll actually be able to come on site and see it face to face.